Hi guys, so this quick recipe is for everyone that is already making their own raw vegan milk, because what you need is the pulp leftover from 1 cup of unsoaked, only rinsed almonds, which I made with 1500 milliliter of water. And this is what is left over. So I did pre-add a little bit of maple syrup, and then I simply take 2 bananas and I'm going to mix this right here on my dehydrator mesh. And if you like, you can simply add 1 tablespoon of cacao nibs. This is recently my favorite mixture, but this is absolutely not necessary. So you can simply just mix the banana and the leftover pulp. Then the next thing you're gonna do, so I'm doing this with a tablespoon. So the next thing you wanna do is get your dehydrator mesh out with a liner. And we're going to use this tablespoon and just go ahead and put 1 tablespoon. Now, if you want to eat them real quick, this little banana pancakes, you better gonna take one of these instruments, I still don't know what it's called, and you flatten them. If you do have a little bit more time, you can just leave it and it will shape up in form of a cookie. Either way is fine, but either way, make sure that after an hour you remove the liner. This is the liner. And you keep on dehydrating your little banana pancakes. So unfortunately I have none to show. They're high on demand right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So they can be ready within 2 hours if they're very thin, or if you take a little bit longer, they take a little bit longer if you put them in such manner. So if you just take the tablespoon and put them a little thicker, they can take up to 5 hours. So that's really up to you. Okay. However, we're gonna put them in and then I come back with the result a little later. Okay, here we go. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I see you very soon. Bye.